Hi, honey.
I think that's a perfect name for me.
I think you are a honey.
I am. What you got?
It's a healthy treat.
Oh, alright. I guess I'll have that.
Yeah?
Can I have something yummy?
Yep.
How about some M&Ms?
Okay, well, this is a dog catcher. It's
okay.
People Crackers, you know.
Oh, People Crackers are fun.
We have People Crackers today. And we have these cool looking, you don't want to eat the dog catcher?
Well, I don't think I should eat humans. Don't you think that's a bad idea?
Well, they say that, but in this case it would be okay. But look, these are like oatmeal cookies.
I don't like oatmeal cookies. I like that first. I guess I like the, maybe I'll eat the human. As long as you say it's okay.
It is, in this case.
Okay. But no other humans I can eat?
No.
Okay, I would never. I'm a sweetheart.
I can tell that. You really are really nice.
Yeah. You want to know what?
What?
I keep my kennel really, really, really clean.
Oh, you're a good girl. Soon you're going to be in the house, though, and having fun.
Oh, man, that's going to be great.
Yeah, I know.
And then I'll be in my own house.
Oh, look. Here's a mailman.
Oh, I think the mailman just went up the road.
Well, I think so,
I think all the other dogs just noticed that. I'm going to go see what they're doing.
Well, okay.
Oh, hi, Claire.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.